Goplus 2.25 horsepower fitness treadmill. Household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Ideal for everyday running workout at home. You will lead healthier and happier life. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Driven by a 2.25 horsepower impulse max motor, high-quality steel frame, hold people up to 220 pounds. 16 inches by 47 inches big rubber run and go. 3 manually adjustable incline levels. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. Focus on provide best home workout experience. Goplus.
The 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill combines all the best features from the Health Club. A club-rated 4.0 horsepower motor and 386 pounds of muscle under your feet provides years of amazing running sessions on a 3G Cardio treadmill in the privacy of your own home. Your Elite Runner Treadmill motor comes with a lifetime warranty that provides peace of mind to go along with all that power. Get fit faster with an amazing incline motor that provides a tough workout. Feel the burn as you climb your way to a more healthy you. With an upgraded commercial Ortho Flex Shock suspension system and an oversized 22-inch by 62-inch running platform, the Elite platform and belt provides an amazing workout experience. 3G Cardio orthopedic treadmill belts are thicker and more comfortable to exercise on than most other top-rated models from competitors. An orthopedic treadmill belt cushions the impact when the foot strikes to reduce shock, giving you a great workout with less wear and tear on your body than with traditional belts. Simple and effective is the 3G Cardio motto. You will have all the necessary built-in programs you need and nothing you don't. With several pre-programmed courses, fitness tests, one-touch speed and elevation settings, heart rate control, and the ability to custom create your own workouts, you'll never become bored or overwhelmed when it comes to your programming options. Built-in speakers provide music enjoyment during your workout. The multi-speed fan keeps you cool too. You can even connect your tablet or mobile phone and enjoy surround sound speakers while you enjoy the latest TV episode or movie. Whether you're a casual walker or an avid runner, the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill has you covered. The drive motor and frame are guaranteed for the lifetime of the treadmill, while parts are covered for 10 years and labor is free for 2 years. Bring the health club home today. You can have amazing gym quality workouts in the comfort of your own home with the Elite Runner Treadmill from 3G Cardio.
iFit trainer is here.
Let's do this. Let's go, let's go. Follow me. Good strides, good strides. Come on, push. All right, guys, that warm-up's over. Now it's time to turn it up a notch. Raise those knees, hold strong, core, let's go.
Squeeze those biceps, keep those abs in tight.
You got a little resistance for a reason, let's use it. You're doing great.
You gotta see this.
Did someone order up some incline? Because here it comes. Finish this thing strong. Stay with me, push it. Then 3, 2. We're almost at the finish line. And rest. Beautiful work. That was an amazing workout. We'll see you next time.
How fast can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Soul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Soul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Soul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Soul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity. Because your fitness matters.